So the best part of being a professor here at Yale is no doubt the students. Just being a part of their learning journey here at Yale, to be able to help them in any way we can, it's just such a wonderful opportunity. And it's also a responsibility, but it's very gratifying to see their progress at the end of their studies. Hi, I'm Lourdes Sabé, Senior Lector of Spanish at Yale's Department of Spanish and Portuguese. I'm excited to introduce the website Yale en primera persona, Yale in first person, which is a video repository of interviews with members of the Spanish-speaking community here at Yale. It is a resource addressed to learners, educators, and to anyone who would like to listen or read stories of members of our community. With these clips, it is my hope that students engage in Spanish language in many different ways, work on listening comprehension, reading comprehension, or do text analysis, but can also be used in the classroom for discussion or for reflection on cultural topics. And hopefully, it also helps to increase and grow appreciation for Hispanic cultures. So what makes unique about this video library is the fact that those stories are told by 12 remarkable Yale community members. Among them, there are faculty members, students, staff, also a senior administrator. They are from different countries, so you hear all this diversity in the language and the accents. The stories allow you to see into everyday life at Yale, Yale summer programs or programs abroad, events on campus, groups like Despierta Boricua, La Casa Cultural, Julia de Burgos, or Film Festival, Leafy. So many of those aspects that make this library very special. I wanted to somehow showcase even on a modest way, the diversity and the richness of the Spanish language here on campus. As the presence of the Hispanic population here on campus grows, so it does as well grow that need, I think, of showing more voices out there. I think this is a way to do that. And I also hope that this project inspires other projects in other wonderful languages that are taught here on campus. So to Spanish speakers, the opportunities are endless in the job market. Fluency in both Spanish and English is going to open tons of doors. This is the age of globalization, and so the more languages you speak, the better. Fun fact is that I'm from Barcelona, Spain, and something I've always been very passionate about is theater and performing arts. I've always been able to do that back in Spain, and after I came to the United States, I even had the opportunity to perform briefly in a Mexican TV soap opera. I think that there is an important aspect about performing that can be very beneficial in a language classroom. Exciting things are happening in 2026. We have a new advanced Spanish language program in Barcelona, and starting in 26-27, we'll be offering a new language program, the Catalan language program, for students to learn the language in the Catalan region of Spain.